Releasing dopamine. What's up, guys? About Psynos coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? Are we there with another? Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside. Banger! But as usual, guys, before we get in there, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, ready for the react to the first video now? Let us kick this off.
How old is your daughter?
She's 9 months.
So where's her father? What's going on with you guys?
He's in the hospital, so yeah, he's very ill, so I'm looking for like a stepfather.
Wait, so you broke up with him while he's in the hospital?
No, I didn't break up with him.
Were y'all not together when he went to the hospital?
Yeah, we're still together.
Wait, okay.
I'm looking for like just in case.
Bitch, what?
A stepfather just in case.
Just in case if he passes away?
Right.
Are you serious?
Yes, Kendra. You have to have one in the chamber, Kendra. Come on now.
Wait, shouldn't you be holding him down? Why is he in the hospital?
I can't go to the hospital because it's like, all the hospitals are shut down.
Okay, but shouldn't you be waiting to see, like, is it not looking good?
It's not looking good.
Are you a comedian?
No, Kendra, I'm not a comedian. I'm serious.
This is serious.
I'm serious. We have a type of relationship that's like, we're very realistic. My husband is much older than me as well.
How old is your husband?
He's 65. He'll be 66 in a month or less, a little bit less than a month.
How old are you?
32.
Well, I hope your husband survives, and I hope
True.
And then I hope he divorces your ass, because I hope he survives and then leaves you, because any wife of his that's looking for the guy while he's still in the hospital is
I'm a really good wife to him, though.
You're a really good wife as you're looking for a person while he's still in the hospital bed.
No get no pleasure out of yes. And me alone want and like a favor you grant me. You want a keep blood clot, you think of your eh? God give you my things to keep for me. I'm ready for me things. What you want me to beg for? Me a demand that bumbo clot unless me no want it now. Kind of fear. God give you for keep for me and my blood clot one. I'm ready for me things and no give me no trouble now. Like you want me satisfy your need.
Why? What is there? The money I'm account now. Go on to the $500 for the thing. Go on to $500. I use a social distancing. A week. Yes, sir. It's not funny.
Social distancing, shopping around. The man look like he measure it out 6 feet away. Anything you want, you put on it. The man said, yo.
Solamente tenemos que registrar autonomía curricular y el área socioemocional de los niños, porque esa parte no está quedando bien. Perdón,
So hold on. That look like she a work from home and him buck up and so I never know say meeting a go on. She look embarrassed. Miss us laugh here, man.
That $2,000 you for me say.
Out of your pocket, two money.
Then you get $2,000 you say look for me again. Oh! So you don't want it then?
I mean, I'm out to make you from my hand. But then, me bless
you with $2,000 you say no money that.
But me not glad.
Give me my money. But if I this alone here come care give me. Give me my money. Let's grab back my money and say, give me back money, all money. More for me to say I'm grateful.
Who's more athletic? Who's more musically inclined? Who has better taste in music? Whose room is decorated nicer? Whose room is the messiest? Who complains the most? Who takes longer to get ready? Who has the better love life? Who's doing better in school?
Oh!
Who watches the
Bro! What a father reaction! Yo! That man! Good save! Good save!
Man, good. Blessings fall and rise and lighten. God chance and Mr. Running the earth, see the must. Judge Judy is a must.
Oh!
Blessings all and might and writing. Zero to this friend. That's what the road. Third from Mr. Me at your thing.
Alright, peeps. So my thoughts on the whole thing. Alright? You see that woman there? We are talking about she look for stepdad when her husband they in the hospital. He's a wicked woman. He's a wicked woman. You no loyal. You hold it out. You never even say you want to hold it out with the man before him dead. You all make a plan already. You wicked so. And then you come talk about he's a good wife. Good wife? Feel like did that cheat. Cause if you are a priest already, I wonder if you just there with the man because you want the man money. Cause you know him probably swagger dead. You is a my friend say you gotta have one in a chamber gun. You are a wicked woman, you. You man, you? Yeah man, you? Never funny. But anyway peeps. All a man they talk about God make the woman private part for you. God make the woman. How that go? Yeah. Stop misuse the Bible here. I want for the other and the other for you. And if the woman no feel for, you know what I mean? She no feel for, you know what I mean? Wait. You make threat. Like you want to kill the woman. You're a madman, you. Anyway. Yo, that daddy they do. We do that shocking thing there for him daughter. That mad. And the ungrateful brother there too. Yeah man, I'm gonna grab back my money from him. Think a joke thing. You don't even look like you have 2 grand in your name. But anyway peeps, that is my 2 cents on the whole matter. Comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts on it. I make a chat from right there, sir. Alright guys, and also check out my new page. It's called Psynos Entertainment. Just kick off and thing. Head over there and subscribe. I'll leave the link down below also. And just support your boy. Alright? Same movement, different content. But anyway peeps, let's go on journey there boy. Ashoo! Thanks for watching.
Yeah.